Good sheep. Come on. Curios! Curios! Yeah! Look at them goats. Look at them run. They're so happy. They're coming to get some graze. Yeah. Oh my god. I love it. Salmon jerky on the coast here in Oregon, and my sheep likes it. Yes, you do. You love it. Sheep eating salmon. Oh shit! I didn't mean to give you that much. Yeah, they did have it. Good treat. Good you. Wanna try some salmon? Yeah, you have enough sense, huh? She's like... Is that weird? JC likes it though, don't you? Yeah. Good girl. Good sheep. Good sheep. Yay. It's only been a couple weeks and the lamb's quarter seed that I threw out is popping up. So now I get out of time I've fixins. Look at all these. Oh, that is lamb's quarter. That's cool. Yeah. I'll start with the biggest, healthiest ones. I'll stimulate them so they'll grow outwards to fill in the space. The bushy ones. Good goats. All over there. Come on. Oh, you still got another one? Come on. Go Dios. Go Dios. Come on, go Dios. Come on, go Dios. Go Dios. Go Dios. Come on. Come on, go Dios. Meh. 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 Come on, go Dios. Go Dios. Go Dios. Good goats. There you go. Good goats. Do you see them yet? They're right there. Follow me. Follow my blur. Go Dios. Yeah. Would one of you grown-ups call back to them so they'll know the direction to go? Good goats. Good goats. Thank you for not pushing the fence while I was trying to get them up here. Good goats. You guys see them. Good goats. Good sheep. Yay, just got this knockoff ghost son for $100 off Amazon or eBay or something. And it freaking worked. And it's been raining all day. And there's still water, still rain. There's been like intermittent sun shining. And it was enough to cook this and make it a lot more edible and palatable. It's actually dehydrated the top layer. The nettles are all dethorned. That's a really good texture. It's like air crisped. Some of it's air crisped and some of it's steamed. But better than steamed. It's like not watered down. You really can't get this type of texture with any other cooking techniques besides a little oven like this. Solar evacuated tube. These things are so cool.